second essay is knowing others. Here it is written R, it's a typological error. Knowing others is intelligence. Why I am saying this? Some students have also repeated the mistake. Knowing others, knowing here is singular. Knowing others is intelligence. Knowing yourself is true wisdom. It's written R and some have attempted R also. So, it may be a typo error in your question paper, maybe, but you must write the right one. So, here it's written knowing others. That means when we are self-retrospecting, when we are thinking what my role is to the society, to my family and to myself, then you have to understand yourself. Someone has written that if you understand yourself from top to bottom, do not write these kind of mediocre sentences, because this is not a proper sentence. You can write when you know yourself from the very essence of everything, when you know yourself from heart to soul, when you know yourself bit by bit, minutely, or in any kind of good words like good vocabulary. So, what is intelligence and what is wisdom? Like knowledge and wisdom are two different things. Intelligence is another thing. Some have made a very chaotic atmosphere by jumbling up all the ideas. It is very confusing, I know, because in the examination hall, your mind is also full of all the ideas, and whatever comes to our mind, we just write it. But we have to understand, here we can make a frame in our rough work, like what is knowledge? Knowing means we are gaining knowledge. Then what is intelligence? Then what is wisdom? See, the last thing is wisdom. So, knowledge is something that we acquire, but wisdom is something that we gain. Understand? Because when we are learning and learning and learning, like we are collecting some pebbles, we are collecting some materials, then we are making our home, we are building our home. That ultimate home is your wisdom. That is shown through your personality, that is delivered through your words, that is exhibited in your actions. When suppose I have enough knowledge, I may say I have enough knowledge. When I am not wise, I don't know where to give it, whom to tell it, and how to exhibit it, then all my knowledge is worthless. You may see some people, they go to restaurants or they talk to the rickshaw puller in a very delicate manner, in fluent English, like they know everything. But what's the use? How the rickshaw puller will know that what you are telling if you are not coming to that level? So, sometimes we have to come to that level of the people in front of us to communicate. So, that communication is wisdom. Why human civilization has come so far? Through communications, through skills, through science, through knowledge. But only knowledge is not sufficient. Here it is said intelligence. Suppose we are intelligent. How do we know that we are intelligent? When we balance our life, when we balance the things, when we understand others' emotions, others' intentions and other things that may influence our lives. So, that is the thing that we can put in this way. You can start from this quotation and you can just elaborate what intelligence is, what is knowing yourself. And the best example is your Gautam Buddha. He knew he never was fit in a world of mortal desires. He knew that. So that he started knowing the world first. He went on a voyage, he went on a journey. In that journey, during that journey, he has come across many incidents. You all have read it in your textbooks. of schools and colleges. So from that he has gathered some knowledge. He was intelligent, so he gathered some knowledge and he became wise. Later, when he gathered so much of knowledge, he knew that I have to show the right path to humankind, to human civilization in a better way, in a greater way. Because I have gathered so much of knowledge, it must not be limited. It must be spreaded. As soon as he realized that, he started giving diksha to others, and the path of truth, the path of your knowledge, the path that of seeking knowledge. When you are seeking knowledge, you must also give away that. When we are learning, we must also teach, because your knowledge has not been limited. It shouldn't be limited. When we exchange ideas, new ideas come to the front. So you can also write all those points with good examples of people who have gathered knowledge and who became wise, and they have shown greater paths to the society.